What up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Sam here. So guys, in today's epic drawing tutorial, I'm going to be drawing Goku Infinity. I posted this on my community post and most of y'all voted for me to draw Goku Infinity. Alright, so guys, here are the guidelines. If you need the guidelines, alright, I'm using A4 paper to draw this amazing artwork. Alright, so I'm going to be drawing one of my most viewed video on this YouTube channel. That is here, this video. You can see, go check it out, link in the bio, all right, or in the description. So I want to see which one will be better. You know, that is like 2 years ago I drew that drawing. All right, so as usual, if you know you're new to the channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. You know, comment down below what you think about the video, comment your thoughts and what character do you want to see next. All right, support the movement. I upload epic drawing tutorials every single day for y'all, so just do me a favor by liking, commenting and also sharing. All right, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Now let me leave you guys to the video. Hope you enjoy. Peace out.
Just happened. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. My neighbors compete to see who can put up more blinding lights. The kids all wish away the month cause they want presents in sight. This year had me so mad, I've been bad, got coal that is sitting under my tree. I think that my Christmas has died. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. When I was just a boy, Christmas brought so much joy. Couldn't wait for the presents and laughter. I couldn't sleep late at night, looking for Santa with lights. Those are the memories I still remember. Then I became a man, lost sight of who I am, but right in front of me was the answer. 'Cause on Christmas I feel joy, and I turn back to
Thank you.